Hello my dear all, myself Jaishankar Prasad Nirala. Through this video you are going to know about capital cities of states of India. That means you are going to know about states name and capitals also and capital cities. It is very important for you, not only in your class, if you are in any standard in your school, and if you are preparing of any test, any competitive exam. It's very helpful for you, so you all have to know. You will get picture also. Aizawl, capital of Mizoram. Mizoram is a name of a state and Aizawl is capital. Agartala, Tripura. Tripura is name of a state of our country and capital of Tripura is Agartala. You can get the picture also. Now, Bangalore, Karnataka. Karnataka is a name of a state and capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. Bhopal, capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Capital of Madhya Pradesh. Bhubaneswar, capital of Odisha. Capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Jammu, winter capital of Jammu and Kashmir, you can say Jammu Kashmir. Capital of Jammu Kashmir is Srinagar also. Here, if I am talking about winter capital, then you have to say Jammu. Srinagar, summer capital of Jammu Kashmir. Previous I have told you clearly Jammu Kashmir is a name of a state and capital of Jammu Kashmir is Srinagar, but summer capital. Okay. Chandigarh, capital of Haryana and Punjab. There are two separate states, Haryana and Punjab, but capital of Haryana and Punjab is Chandigarh. Chennai, capital of Tamil Nadu. Capital of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the name of a state and capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Daman, capital of Daman and Diu. Actually, Daman and Diu is name of a state and capital of Daman and Diu is Daman. Dehradun, capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. National Capital Territory of Delhi, New Delhi. You know very well there are 7 territories state. Dispur, capital of Assam. Capital of Assam is Dispur. Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Gangtok, capital of Sikkim. Sikkim is the name of a state and capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. Hyderabad, capital of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Capital of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad. Imphal, capital of Manipur is Imphal. Capital of Manipur is Imphal. Itanagar, capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Jaipur, capital of Rajasthan. Capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Capital of Lakshadweep, Kavaratti. Capital of Lakshadweep. Kohima, capital of Nagaland. Capital of Nagaland is Kohima. You can learn capital name, you can learn state's name, and you can see the picture also, so that you can know about some different thing. Kolkata, capital of West Bengal. Capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Lucknow, capital of Uttar Pradesh. Capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Mumbai, capital of Maharashtra. Capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Panaji, capital of Goa. Capital of Goa is Panji. Patna, capital of Bihar. Capital of Bihar is Patna. Pondicherry, capital of Puducherry is Pondicherry. Port Blair, capital of Andaman and Nicobar. Capital of Andaman and Nicobar is Port Blair. Raipur, capital of Chhattisgarh. You have to know the capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Ranchi, capital of Jharkhand. Capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Shillong, capital of Meghalaya. Capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Shimla, capital of Himachal Pradesh. Capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. Silvassa, capital of Dadar and Nagar Haveli. Capital of Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa. Thiruvananthapuram, Thiruvananthapuram, capital of Kerala. Capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Amravati, proposed capital of Andhra Pradesh. Actually, I have told you Hyderabad. Amravati, proposed capital of Andhra Pradesh. You can get states and union territories. I have told about the capital of states and union territories also. You can find here union territories Pondicherry, Lakshadweep, Puducherry, you can say, no problem. Dadar Nagar Haveli, Delhi also, Andaman and Nicobar, okay, on the screen, on the map, in the map, all states physical state dividing, you can know, okay. Hope it is very helpful for you, and you can know the state, where is your state, okay. Thank you so much.